Hello everyone, welcome to the daily question analysis brought to you by Shankar IAS Academy. Before getting into the discussion, please make sure two things. First, you subscribe to your channel. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and also hit the bell icon to receive on-time update from Shankar IAS Academy. And also make sure that you watch the current affair analysis in the morning. So if all said, let's begin the discussion with the first question. The question is with reference to the measles control and elimination, consider the following statements. Statement 1, unlike smallpox, measles eradication is considered difficult because the virus has multiple non-human reservoirs that maintain its transmission cycle. Statement 2, in India's universal immunization program, the standard schedule for measles containing vaccines provides 2 routine doses before 2 years of age. Which of the given statements is or are correct? So they are asking for the correct statement. So if you go to the first statement, we can see that unlike smallpox, measles eradication is considered difficult. No, it is not difficult because it does not have any non-human reservoirs. So therefore, eradication of measles is relatively easy than smallpox. Therefore, the first statement is incorrect. Coming to the second statement, in universal immunization program, the standard schedule for measles containing vaccines provides 2 routine. Yes, 2 doses will be provided in 2 different phases. First between the month of 9 to 12 and the second between 16 to 24, and that before the age of 2. Therefore, the statement 2 is correct, but the statement 1 is incorrect. So the correct answer is option B, too early. So coming to the next question, with reference to the NaMo didi drawn didi scheme, consider the following statement. Statement 1, the scheme exclusively target rural youth with ITI or diploma backgrounds to promote skill-based employment in drone operation. No, it is not the objective. So we can eliminate this easily. So coming to the second, under the scheme, the women from the self-help groups are trained and supported to use drones for agricultural purposes such as spraying fertilizers, pesticides, and monitoring the crop health. Yes, this is a major objective, and remember that it is a central sector scheme, and the subsidy will be also provided. So therefore, the here this statement is correct, but the question they are asking for the incorrect statement. So which of the following statements are incorrect? So here the first statement is incorrect. Therefore, the correct answer is option B, 1 only. Yes. And coming to the third question, with reference to biosensors, consider the following statement. Statement 1, biosensors necessarily require living cells to function as biological recognition elements. Statement 2, biosensors are being increasingly explored for applications ranging from medical diagnostics and agriculture to environmental monitoring and food safety. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? So they are asking for the correct statement. So we will go to the first statement again. Biosensors necessarily require living cells to function as a biological recognition element. No, we can use enzymes, we can use the living cells also, but we can use enzymes also. Therefore, it is not necessary to have a living cell to function as a biological recognition in the biosensors. Therefore, the statement 1 is incorrect, while the statement 2, biosensors are increasingly explored for applications ranging from medical diagnosis, as it can be used to detect the presence of toxins in the human body. It can be used to detect the presence of heavy metals and toxins in agriculture and the environment, and also in the food. Therefore, the statement 2 is correct, while the statement 1 is incorrect. Therefore, the correct answer is option B, 2 only. And coming to the fourth question, with reference to the amoebic meningoencephalitis, consider the following statements. Statement 1, the disease is caused by a free-living protozoan amoeba that thrives in warm, fresh water and can infect humans when contaminated water enters into the nose. Statement 2, unlike bacterial meningitis, amoebic meningoencephalitis is generally non-fatal and can be managed effectively with the common antifungal medications. See, the fatality rate of this amoebic meningoencephalitis is more than 95%. Therefore, the statement 2 is incorrect, while the statement 1, the disease is caused by free-living protozoan amoeba that thrives in fresh water and can infect the humans when the contaminated waters enters into the human body. Yes, to the nose. Yes, the statement 1 is correct, while the statement 2 is incorrect, and they are also asking for the correct statement. Therefore, the answer is option A, 1 only. And coming to the mains question, so it is related to the India-Namibia relation we discussed in the morning. So the question is, India's evolving engagement with Namibia reflects a shift from resource-driven diplomacy to a more inclusive, future-oriented partnership model with Africa. Discuss. So it's a 15 marks question, and you have to write around 250 words. So we can see that. So not like the superpowers. India is trying to engage with the Namibia in a softer manner. So we are emphasizing the culture of Namibia. For example, the Prime Minister, he quoted the Namibian national poet, gave reference to the Namibian flora and fauna. And also we can see that Namibia is the first African nation to adopt the UPI. So the relation is not based on condition oriented agreements or investments. So you can, with this idea, try to answer the question and post it in the comment section. We will review and we will reply for your answer. And with this, we are coming to the end to the today's question analysis. And if you like the video, hit the like button, give your feedbacks as comments, and share this content with your friends. And before leaving this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon to receive on-time update from Shankar IAS Academy. Thank you for listening to us. Thank you for listening to me. Have a nice evening.